Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making balsamic salmon with sauteed spinach and crisp bacon. So first things first, we have our two skillets heating up over about medium heat. We're going to begin crisping our turkey bacon in one. Kind of build those flavors there. Here we have our salmon seasoned with a little bit of salt and pepper. We also have some honey, some balsamic, and some chili flake. Got some lemon to put in with our spinach. Add a little bit of pepper to our bacon there. Give that a stir. We're going to let that get crispy. I've just cut it into strips. Okay, so we're going to allow that to crisp up. And that's going to be the base for flavor for our spinach. We're going to go ahead and begin cooking our salmon. Okay. A little seasoning on the opposite side. All right, and once we flip this, then we're going to add our balsamic, our honey, and our chili flake. As an option, if you don't like things too spicy, you can completely omit the red pepper. It won't hurt anything. You could go a little heavier on black pepper to kind of counteract the sweetness of the balsamic and the honey to give you a little bit of a bite. But if you don't like the heat, then you can just completely leave the pepper out. So keep that in mind. You can see here we've got some nice crisp to our turkey bacon. We're going to drain this on a paper towel. Back on, and we're going to go in with our spinach. Allow that begin to cook. Going to flip our salmon. I'm going to add just a pinch of my chili flake. Don't want too hot. I'm going to go in the balsamic. Also got the honey. Just spin some of this. Okay, we're going to add some more spinach now as that starts to wilt. Just allow that to continue. A little bit of salt. Fresh cracked black pepper. Just a drizzle of oil. I've also got some lemon juice. I'm just going to add a squeeze now. We'll add a little bit more towards the end. You just want to continue to allow this to wilt. You can just continue to baste your salmon until it becomes nice and tender. This is just about there. All right, we're going to go ahead and kill the heat on our spinach. And going to add our turkey bacon back in. Give it a quick stir. Great. We're going to add another nice squeeze of lemon juice. All right. That's all there is to the spinach. You can set it aside. The salmon's just about done. All right, now at this point, kill the heat on the salmon. I'm going to pull it out. Get under it. Paper towel. All right, we'll plate this up and show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.